Hello dear friends of my YouTube channel Retro Photo House. Today I've got just accidentally quite a rare lens, and I just decided to make a quick hands-on review of it because it's really worth to recommend, especially for filmmakers. And this lens I've got maybe 5 or 6 times during my career as lens seller, and just it worth to recommend and it worth to make a review of it. So I just got really a lens in original packaging. It was in production starting from 1984, and at the time price it was 189 rubles. It was just a fortune, I would say, for an ordinary Soviet citizen. It has a salary monthly payout from around 150 rubles at the time, so this was really expensive. Let's take a look inside the box. KMZ logo, as you may see. So what do we have here? The leather case, the user's manual, of course, in Russian. It was sold in 1985, as you may see. High quality leather case. Here we have the lens. It is in new condition, it was never used. And here, please pay attention, there is a just little compartment with the filters. This lens was bundled with 3 filters. Ultraviolet one. The filter thread is 58 millimeters on 0.75 thread step. Ultraviolet filter, green and orange. This is for black and white photography mainly. So let's take a look on the lens by itself. Front and rear caps, of course. So first of all, high quality build like a tank, I would say. This is 35 millimeters lens with maximum aperture f/2. It has multi-coated optics, and indeed it is here, as you may see, KMZ made, and this one was made in 1985. I can say that this lens was in production for a very limited time period, starting from 1984 to 1986 on famous KMZ plant, and very limited quantities were built. Aperture pusher pin here. For manual and automatic aperture modes. M42 mount, of course, as almost all Russian lenses. The aperture control ring, 6 blades iris aperture, and focusing ring. Here we have from infinity to as close as 30 centimeters. This is very good because you can just make very close focus for shooting photos or even video, and this is very good. Optically, I love this lens very much. It's very good, delivering very good images. About weight, it weighs around, I may say, maybe 300 grams, something like this. So this lens is worth to recommend if you have ever a chance to get it. The price on eBay in the new condition is around, I don't know, $150 to $200, but really it's worth to recommend. There is no plastic, only aluminum and glass, and this lens will last for years if you will take care about it. So that's all the hands-on, and please do not turn off the video. I will show you a few photos and some footage I just took using this lens and my Sony A7 mirrorless camera. This is Retro Photo House. We are working for you, for your satisfaction. So if you need some clean, lubricated and tested Soviet photo equipment, please visit my eBay store. Thank you for your attention.